Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a NUBIA Focus Pro, and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode, so all we have to do is to open more options, which we can do with this arrow in the right upper corner. Now the second bar is connected with a timer. We've got 4 different options, so off, 10, 5 and 3 seconds delay. So all you have to do is to tap on the specific option. I'll choose 10 seconds delay. As you can see, it is immediately highlighted, and now all we have to do is to tap on the shutter button, and from now on your device will count down from 10, 5 or 3, depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Alright, of course we can turn it off just by entering this icon in the right upper corner and tapping on off, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.